Good morning, children. Today we are discussing about 9th class, 17th June to 2020. The lesson is the natural realms of the earth, lithosphere. Yes, natural realms of the earth, lithosphere. Already we discussed about realms of the earth as four. Number one, lithosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and atmosphere. Yes, already you know lithosphere means rocks or stone. Bio means water. Sorry, hydro means water. Bio means life. And atmos means air. So these are important and concepts are keywords of them. So we are here and we are discussing about only lithosphere today, and then here rocks and stones. Without and rocks there is no life of us. Our stone age, our age started with the rock. That's why our age means here and two stone ages and means our means life and started with the stone ages. Okay, old stone age, new stone ages. So and here the stones are very important. For example, today you see, then our foundation, our houses are completely constructed with the foundation stone. Is it right? Foundation stone. Yes, we are and utilizing different types of stones in our daily life. For example, marbles. And then what is that for different types of stones are utilizing for decoration purpose. Right? So then what is that one? Foundation stones, construction of the walls, then everything, everywhere we are utilizing at present. So these all and stones are utilizing and from the interior of the earth or the different types of hills. We are collecting from different types of hills. Yes. And here lithosphere means and rocks and stones, and those are very helpful for us. Next. Then the question is, and we are discussing about the assignments, and then here the question is, which are called the third order landforms? Yes, third order landforms. Yes, yeah. First order, second order, third order. Here and three and type of order landforms are there. Landforms. First order landforms, continents and oceans. Second order landforms, mountains, plateau and plains. Third order landforms. Now we are discussing about third order landforms. What are the third order landforms? The landforms which are formed by water and air. Which are formed by water and air. What are those? Those are and some type of and what is that one? Small and hills, and second one sand dunes, and second one sand dunes, and then third one some type of and deltas also, and completely and those are and formed in it. Okay, right. So here then these all are completely formed by the nature. That's why called as a land forms. Land forms. Land is not even, it is uneven. Different types of shapes are there. And today, and we are utilizing the land not only and on surface, we are utilizing the interior part of the land. And for water, for minerals, right? And for different types of resources, for gas, like liquid gas and liquid, and then other important gas also we are means what is that? Everywhere we are utilizing for our development, right? Means natural resources are used for our development. Means that's why those are known as assets of the nation. Assets of nation. That's why, and it is not individual property, it is a national property. What is it? It is a national property. Land farms are, every land farm is used for the development of the nation. It is not concentrated in a few and person's hand. It is used for every person, every citizen utilizing natural resources. Right. So already, and we discussed about that land farms. Land farms are means the third land farm means what is that? Then the land means what is that one? Then the land farm and utilize means what is the how it is formed with the help of water and air. For example, sand dunes with the help of air. Means water deltas are there. Number of deltas are completely and formed with the help of flowing of water. The streams, then what is that one? The rivers are divided into 2 or 3 forms. Then when those are joining into the sea or ocean, then they formed as a deltas. Deltas and those have and different types of fertile soil which are very helpful for the then what is that one? Agriculture resources. Next. Second question, what is Inselberg? What is Inselberg? The Inselberg, and it is one type of means the isolate or the individual residual hills and which are rising and from the ground. Individual or isolate and hill, isolate and residual hills and which are rising abruptly from the ground. From the ground. Those are known as means isolate, means alone. Isolate nothing but alone. Isolate hill which are rising abruptly from the ground means alone. Which type of hills are appeared? Alone means isolate hills are appeared on the surface of the earth. Surface of earth. Those are hills appeared on surface of the earth, and such type of hills are known as what are those? Inselberg. Then here number of Inselbergs are appeared means then isolate means alone, and then these type of hills also very important because number of the hills, surroundings of the hills we are getting different types of mineral resources. Next, another one is the river banks means the number of then what is that one near number of and hills in the bank of the hills we are getting different types of mineral resources. Mineral belts are there. That's why every natural resources are very helpful and for getting different mineral resources. That's why the number of the belts are situated in the bank of the either rivers and our mountain hills or hills. Next, third Third question is, what is meant by intrusive landforms? Intrusive landforms. Here the intrusive landforms nothing but, and some of the lava already you know, and what is that one, layers of the earth. Then this is the and surface of the earth. In that surface of the earth, different types of and layers are there. Means and then earth is consists in the interior part of the layers. Then here the number of and means lava and completely consists in the underground approximately, and means in the depth of 6,000 kilometers, 6,400 kilometers, right? And then and from here to the lava and completely and slowly and it will come up, and with the help of the and way or vent, and then afterwards it will and come out. Means here the number of plateaus are formed with the help of lava, not today and then in previous time. So what happened here? And then here more than 6,000 degrees Celsius temperature is there in the interior part of the earth. When it will come up and to the, means it is a vent. It is a vent. And then here, then slowly and those are coming and up. Not only 1 or 2 days, some years. And it is a push, and when it is a complete concept with the chemicals. When it will push up and afterwards slowly the vent is formed by the lava. Then afterwards when it will come out and then it will become magma. Right? Then afterwards means what I am saying here means what is this and what is meant by in situ landforms. In situ landforms, sometimes the lava is not come out of the or surface of the earth. Sometimes it not reach to the surface of the earth. It will and consist in the interior part of the earth, and then it will stuck up in the interior part of the earth. Afterwards it formed as a rock. Yes, nowadays what is the position of the plateaus? Plateaus are completely consist with the help, means those are means what consist with the hot rocks. How it was formed? With the help of lava. When the lava is come out, and then different types of and what is that one, landforms, means especially the plateaus are formed with the help of lava. That's why in the besides of the plateaus you see, or the surface of the plateaus you see, and what is that one, means a black cotton soil is appeared. How it is? Because of lava and as well as the magma changing into black cotton soil. Next, then next, fourth question. What is a sea cliff? What is sea cliff? Right? Sea cliff nothing but, and here very steep rocks, rising almost of the and vertically, very steep rocks and almost then vertically, and when and it is appeared and in the sea water. This is the completely sea water. It is sea. Okay, and then these type of rocks are appeared in the sea. Okay, how it is, and these rocks are completely very steep and valleys, or the steep or means what is that one, formed as a steep rocks, and those are appeared in the water, mean or in the ocean or sea. Right, steep rocks are appeared in the sea, and then sea cliffs. The sea cliffs nothing but the rocks are completely consist with the vertical and place, the vertical and areas, and those are appeared in the sea or ocean is known as a sea cliff. say cliff means in the ocean are isolate are in the formation of the rocks, and those are appeared and in the means what is that one? In the vertical and rocks are appeared in the sea is known as sea cliff. Then next fifth question. What do you mean by weathering? Mean by weathering? The gradual disintegration of the rocks by the atmosphere force or weather forces are known as weathering. The gradual disintegration, not integration, disintegration of the rocks by the atmosphere force. Atmosphere force nothing but air force, right? Force, weather and force means both atmosphere force or weather force are blowing up the winds, right? When and it is formed means here not integration, disintegration nothing but different type of shapes. What are those? The rocks, different types of shape of the rocks are and appeared with the force of wind or air. Right? Air means those are completely covered different types of force and type of. For example, old